Welcome to Credly and congratulations on establishing your organizational account. We know you want to put your best face forward, so let's talk about what the public sees when they seek you out on Credly and how you can manage that profile. I'm logged in as the Learning Lattice. The first thing I want to show you is that every organizational account has an owner, and you can toggle between the individual owner's account and the organization by mousing over this upper right hand corner. Let's look at the profile. This is what the public sees and how they learn about your organization, whether they can connect to social media, the logo that you show of your organization. They can even see the badges that you've given recently. We control this through account settings. So you'll notice the organizational name, the About Us. These are things that displayed on the profile. Here's where I linked the Twitter account, but I didn't link a Facebook account. You can manage these settings as you need to for your organization. For Credly users who have upgraded to Pro or Premier, there may be additional features such as a custom email header that allows you to further brand your organization as it issues badges. You may also be able to add additional account managers depending on the type of account that you have. All users can personalize the URL, so you can change your number to a name here, but you can only do that once, which is why there's no longer a pencil available for me to edit. The rest of the information you can edit as you see fit. You can make changes, save at the bottom, then go back to view the profile and see if you like those changes. If not, go back to account settings and edit once more. So this is where you can control what the public sees of your organization, and that's a great way to get started with Credly.